All right, so this is how the sink will be sitting in the cabinet. Then the countertop will go on top of this, and this will be under the counter. So I'm going to show you how this brace works. So this brace here is where the sink sits on top. Now I can move it wherever I want it, and then it sits on top of those braces there. So what I'm going to do is set that down like that and put adhesive down here on that, so this is stuck to the braces, and then put adhesive around here and put the sink in. So I left a little bit of space to move the sink around. Then when I cut the countertop to fit across here, that'll be a wrap. It'll probably be closer up to the front like this. And then all my plumbing to go down through here. That's it.